equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a heat gun, a suction cup, a plastic spudger, and a set of torque screwdrivers. Ensure you have a clean workspace and a soft cloth to protect your device. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 7 completely. Next, use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the screen. This will soften the adhesive, making it easier to separate the screen from the body. Be cautious not to overheat any components. Once the edges are warm, place the suction cup near the corner of the screen. Pull gently to create a small gap, then insert the plastic spudger into the gap. Carefully slide the spudger around the edges to break the adhesive seal. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the screen or the device. As you work your way around, you may encounter some resistance. If so, apply a bit more heat to that area. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without any hassle. After successfully separating the screen, you will see several screws securing the display connector. Use your torque screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the connector from the motherboard using your spudger. Now, it's time to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris inside the device. This is crucial for ensuring optimal performance after the repair. Next, take your new screen and align it with the connector. Press it down firmly to ensure a good connection. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the connector back in place. If you're unsure about the process, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Once the screen is secured, it's time to reattach it to the body. Apply a thin line of adhesive around the edges of the device. Carefully align the screen and press it down firmly. Make sure there are no gaps or misalignments. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 7 to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your tech problems. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.